morning, y'all. So I'm about to go ahead and wipe down the sink so I can do my morning routine. Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these disinfectant wipes. Y'all, they don't want to give us no cleaning supplies, so I had to think outside the box. We had went to an event and they had gave us all these wipes right here. So I'm about to go ahead and disinfect this countertop so I can get my morning routine done. Y'all, I already told y'all this is my pet peeve coming into this restroom because they don't want to give us cleaning supplies to do what we need to do. So y'all gonna watch me wipe off this countertop and then we gonna go ahead and get started, okay? Because germs don't care, they don't care. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit my stuff right here. Keep these handy dandy wipes right here. Yeah. So this is the star of the show today, okay? And I have some in here, which I poured in there to keep it. And I wrap this as well. I wrap this up so it won't get hard. I don't think it will get hard, but just in case it do get hard, I still just wrap it with some saran wrap to keep it. I got Ziplocs too, but the girl was not thinking, so she just went on and put a saran on top of it, but I will put it in a Ziploc. So let me go ahead and just... Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and just wipe down these counters. Y'all, it's just my pet peeve not being able to get to our cleaning supplies and gloves. Like I said, I wouldn't mind doing all the other steps, but I'm not about to clean no toilet without no gloves, and it's just not happening. No ma'am, no sir. So, we're gonna just have to do it like this. I got a lot of these, so I'm gonna start using these. I didn't think about it at first. I was like, let me go look and see. And you know how you start going through your bags and stuff. This is the event that took place on Easter. So I've had them for a minute. A couple of weeks, right? Because Easter wasn't that far ago. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe off these like this. This is a pet peeve, just even doing this without gloves, y'all. I hate touching, oh shoot. I hate touching this stuff without gloves, but I can still wash my hands. I just know I'm not touching no toilet. I know that much. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. I'm not touching no toilet. So I'm gonna bring y'all over here. Oh shoot, this is you right here. Actually, turn this side. Okay, I'm just gonna do this side. I don't want anybody to walk in. That's why I be putting in certain areas because people don't want to be recorded, you know, for their privacy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe off this sink like this with this. And like I said, this right here just making my skin crawl doing this without gloves because, you know, they're brushing their teeth, they, you know, just all overall, ugh, I just can't. So hurry up and do this because this is making my skin crawl, y'all. Ugh. The stuff we had to endure, we're supposed to make our life a little bit easier, right? The stuff we had to endure. We have to improvise. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel, Lord. Okay. And then I'm just gonna check the floors, make sure, you know, there's not much trash around. What? No, don't wait till I come in. Don't touch it. I'm coming. Go on back in there. Go back in there. I'm coming right now.
It's already on.
I'm about to come in there, I said. You connected everything else like I told you?
Yep.
Okay, I'll be in there in just a second. Hold on, yeah. And I will see you later in the vlog.